Okay, to remove it, it's important to do it from the other side. The side is not wider. And this side, we have this. If you've got these steps that going in, this is the part that steps you're gonna see later. So that we've got more space on the ground. I know I can still walk here, walk here. Okay, I see a lot of walking space. Why? Because when it's unwrapping it, there are a lot of weight, and you don't want all this to unwrap it and then fall inside the swimming pool. So when we unwrap it, when we get by the end of it, it's almost on the on the floor, so there's not much more water to take the cover inside. Yeah, see? We have got Can you undo the last one so that you can see? So you put it like that, see?
I think we leave it.
Leave it on it.
See?
Honestly,
Good job.
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now when you remove the cover, make sure to close so you don't tip on it.